Hi, my name is Daphne Pelig, and this is week two's video journal. So this week's question asked in regards to our concern from last week, how would we address it if someone came up to us with the same concern? And my concern from last week was the human connection and interaction that potentially is in danger by moving counseling to online. With technology, we can use things like Google Hangouts and different types of programs that can make meetings very personal online, and potentially move counseling to such a program and making them more of consultants than someone readily available on campus. But if someone were to come up to me with the same type of concern and kind of ask my opinion of how we would fix that or how we can kind of make it better, I will say that I think creating kind of a balance would be necessary in order to do it. I can see it going that a counselor be potentially part-time, or even full-time, but just part-time on campus itself and part-time online. It gives them that flexibility to be able to potentially go to multiple schools, because if you're only part-time at each one, but that way you don't fully lose that human connection and interaction there, but you are able to potentially help more people because you're partly at a specific location and partly remote. So that would be the one thing that I can think to kind of help fix that. I'm not quite sure of another way to really fix that human interaction if it's through technology, but my suggestion would be to at least do something part-time.